Guess I'm back at it again with part 4. Woohoo! No. Just no.
This is not how I remember Canadian Pacific!
Ew. Disgusting. That's just downright horrible, ain't it, partner? 2 words. Identity crisis! This unit lived to be a Conrail unit. Then it lived a short career on Norfolk Southern, sold to NREX, and then it died. Rest in peace. The Lehigh Valley pain is bleeding for. You know, my favorite Class 1 railroad has to be CCSX or CSXX. Those are totally real railroads, no joke. Oh look, it's a Tier 4 GEVO, something relatively normal. In quotation marks. Oh hey look, it's a white-faced Norfolk Southern -8. Surely it's not gonna be O. This unit is kinda meh. Now this I approve of. Shame that it's gone though. Oh what the hell? This I also approve of. And then again, it's a shame that it's gone though.